Greetings, humans. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and begin the process of cloning the Home Depot countertop installation landing page that I spoke about in the previous video. And so here we're looking at the first section that we're going to work on. This is the section that we're going to be cloning in this video, and then the next video we'll move on to the how it works section. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, the first thing I'm going to do is create a page. And I'm going to name this page Home Depot Clone. And I'll go ahead and publish this. And so for anyone following this tutorial, you will be able to access this page right here on staging.humai.club/Home Depot clone. So we'll start by enabling the visual builder. While that's opening, let's go ahead and analyze this layout. So first of all, this image is a background image. So what we have here is a section. We're going to name this section Introduction. And so we have a title, we have a slider, and then we have so we basically have a 2-column layout. Okay. So actually this might want to be, let's start building, let's see, maybe instead of a regular section, let's look at specialty sections. And so this is title, so we got module, think like this. That looks about right, doesn't it? Okay, so here we're gonna have this one. What is this one? Okay, so yes, perfect. So now let's delete this original section. We're going to use this one. So let's start by setting the background image. So we need to get this background image out of here. I'll use the inspection tool, and I'll bet it's this right here, this background hero image. Hover, yep, that's it. Open it in a new tab, and let's download it. So I'm going to put it inside of a folder for images for our Home Depot clone, and let's drop it in here. There we have it. And I'll bring this down a little bit. Nice. Okay. So now you see we've got the orange, which is a section. So like, let's go ahead and name this ID. We're going to name it Introduction. That will allow us to easily select it as a navigation item. So here we've got a title, and then so these are 2 modules. So let's do text, and I'll just take this text. All right, and then the next one is a slider. And we can just leave that like that. Let's go ahead and style this text better. So Let's make this a level 1 heading. Then now when you're working with the builder tool, if you hover over the element that you're wanting to get to the styling of, just click this little paintbrush looking icon, and it will open up the specific settings for that particular element. And so I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to change the text color to white. I'm going to make the heading size, let's make it 45, and drop a drop shadow on it. Let's see what font style this is. So this is a is this like some custom font style? Font size. Okay. Oh, here we go. So it's Open Sans. So Open Sans. Okay. Now over here we have one element, then we've got another element. So let's do this one, then let's try that. But I'm thinking, yeah. It's not that. Is a blurb. I think I can make use icon. I'm just gonna select something for right now. Okay. Image and icon, I think it is icon placement left bow. Okay, perfect. Text, let's get rid of this text. Like that. And then text color white, right? Let's see. Boom. Yeah. Okay. Put some spacing on there. Like 15, even 5. We'll tighten it up in a bit. Let me see. Yeah, we got those two. Yeah, that must be a like a coup font, like, or something. Their font is weird. It's not a Google font. Now I'm going to tighten all of this up and make it look better. Got these two right here. This will be. We need this back. Make both of these. And actually, yeah, see, you can't even select the text on there. You gotta do it like this. You can't. You'd even have either have to type it out, but you can't like highlight it on their website. It's something that's creating that font style. Yeah, schedule and store. So there we go. Then let's do another. Do it over here. The same thing with this. What? Perfect. Okay, so now let's make this background white. Let's add some padding. Alright, yeah, same thing with this. Like that's centered. Coming together. Still got some work to do. But I think you can start to see the vision here. So once again, we're only focused on this area right here. So let's see, what do we have to do? So we need to tighten these buttons up, tighten this heading up. Make it the right colors. Also, this is not. Here's like a. Wow, there we go. See, circle icon, circle color white, icon color is going to be this. The fuck? There we go. Alright. Then the border color is going to be. Yep, there we go. So, left. Alright, getting there, getting there, getting there. Request a free consultation. Alright. I got that. Alright, so what is this, like just bigger? Should probably make this like a H3. There we go. Now we've got some. It goes all the way down into there. So first of all, let's bring these together. And now let's column 1, give it a box shadow. I'm gonna give a border. Three. Let's see something. Give it a box shadow. You know, so that box shadow. I like the way the box shadow makes it look. Then let me add a little bit of spacing on there. If I do 25 pixels. Bam. That's kind of dope, ain't it? Alright, let me leave it like that for a second. Boom. Alright. Now, so these border. How's this freaking color? Where'd it go? There we go. There we go. Yeah. coming together. See, this is full width. That's another thing. Sizing. I don't think they let. Okay, here we go. We're gonna scoot this over here. So I'm bringing them each to 110. Yeah, see, that's perfect. Okay. Let's take a look at this outside of the builder tool. So I'm going to exit the visual builder just to take a peek at it. It's not bad though. I mean, it's literally starting to get like this. I mean, we got to get this text bigger. You know, like this right here, you move like that. This right here, this moves on its own, but we can fix that. There we go. So there we go. Well, we just got to bring those out, change the color on those. But that's that slider. I can put these dots down there too. And all we got to do in here is just make a title and a description. Alright, so just trying to make note of all the things that need to be tweaked. So now we're going to tweak this. So this is what it looks like rendered. And first of all, this can scroll down because there's actually another section below here. We can't scroll this because there's nothing down there. But let's go ahead and enable Visual Builder. Let's start with this font for this. Now, I don't know. See. All right, let's see what we've got. So let's see. Let's try it. Let's see if they've got this. No. No. That's not one. Are these fonts? Let me see. There is no. Yeah, these must not be Google font equivalent. Similar to Impact. Yeah, I should have said similar to Impact. Oswald. Okay. What is a similar? Oswald. So let's look for Oswald. There we go. It's not really. It's not as nice as whatever they're using. I think this is a custom made font. Yeah. This is the font right here. Yeah, they've got something going on in there with that font. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and make another. I'm just gonna put a section below here, just a regular section, that way we can scroll up and down. Now this slider right here, let's take a look. So the navigation, no, where's that orange again? There we go. Dot navigation. There we go. So you see the dot navigation down there now. So now, what we got? That's the arrow color. So I mean, you know, as you can see, it's coming together. I mean, it's not like a critical perfect. Let me refresh so I can bring the elements back. Let me exit the visual builder so we can get a look at it. I mean, it's essentially, you know, and I can keep, you know, tweaking away at it to, I'm going to make this have a content structure like this. And then after that, I think that it's close enough. It's not perfect, but it is a unique version of the layout. It's the same layout. You know, these are buttons that link to stuff. These are buttons that link to stuff. You know, instead of using that border, I used a drop shadow because I thought it looked dope. But, you know, here I'll, let me make those couple tweaks. So first of all, this has to say virtual consultation. Those are centered also. They don't let you get access. I don't know where that stuff is virtual. Maybe, here we go. There we go. So, you know, you can see it's coming along. Let's see here. In order to make this slider like this, I gotta tweak it a little bit. All right. Let's see here. First of all, and then content it's gonna be in here. put it at 250. Now, let me make this text. Alright, this text needs to be black. Here we go. And so that's that. Let's do this one. Essentially the same thing. Let me see here. One thing I think I want to do is bring this in alignment with that. There we go. Yeah. I think that's a really good, unique type of copy. Like, it's not exactly the same layout, but it's the same structure, and I can keep tweaking on it to, you know, match things up. But essentially, you know, it's a pretty quick little layout to whip together. And so now we've got this one. Let's move on to the next.